Okay, so in this video, we're going to be adding background color, adding font style, and setting a top margin. You need to make sure this matches your house style storyboard in your Wix website, so make sure to go and have a look at those first, and make sure that you know what font style you want, background color, etc. In terms of that, you could look at Wix, or you could go on Word and find the right font in there, one that looks similar to what you got in Wix. Whatever you prefer, but just make sure you got that information before you start this. So let's get into Dreamweaver. So you just need to go to File in the top left and go down to Page Properties. So we're going to start by selecting the font. We're going to go with Impact for this one. Again, just pre-select it before you get into here. Size-wise, again, just set whatever size that you've identified. You could again have a play around with this in Word and see what sort of font size you want. I'm going to go with 14 pixels. Text color, I'm going to go with a dark purple. So you just, if you want to use the slider, you can, or you can simply just move this around as well. So I'm going to go with the dark purple. Okay, and I'm just going to click off when I'm done, and you can see the colors in the box. And the background color, you've got to remember it needs to contrast with the text color so that you can read the text when it's on the background. So for the background color, I'm just going to click to pink, maybe a bit more, maybe use the slider there. Yep. And I'm going to go to sort of a light pink so that it contrasts with the dark purple. Again, I'm just going to click off like that. In terms of the top margin, you can see up here at the top of the screen there's a bit of a white space between the top of your table and the top of your web page, so you don't want that there. So we're just going to set the top margin to 0 and click apply. So you can see that the space is gone, the background is now pink. I'll just click OK, and I click into one of our rows here and just type Dreamweaver is the best. So you can see there, just as an example, the colors are contrasting and everything's set up how we wanted it. So yeah, that's adding your background color, font styling, and sorting out your top margin.